And the main thing is to be yourself. Many times it's through a mistake that you learn. And the main thing is to make sure you learn through your mistakes and get better.
I reach into the sky, wondering why you said goodbye. Last time I heard your voice was the last time. Last time I felt, last time I cared, last time I knelt, last time I feared. Lonely am I, who sleeps with tears in my bed. I just can't get you off my head. I can't stop thinking about you. Can't stop thinking.
You should know that by being a racing driver, you are under risk all the time. And if you no longer go for a gap that exists, you're no longer a racing driver. Because we are competing to win. And the main motivation to all of us is to compete for a victory. It's not to come third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. I race to win, as long as I feel it's possible.